Hi, if you're wondering how to get your ASUS RT-N66U into restoration mode, recovery mode, it's really easy to do. Right now you can see it's on. When it goes into recovery mode, this power light here is going to be flashing very slowly, but it's going to be flashing. So we're going to turn it off at the back here. There's a little power button here. If you've got a different router and you want to try this, if you haven't got a power button, you can do the same thing by just plugging and unplugging the power cord here. So we have a little reset button just here in between the WAN port and also the USB ports here. So we're going to hold down that reset button. I'm just doing it with my nail. So I've just clicked it in now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press on the power button here. I'm going to keep holding that little reset button in until this light starts flashing here. So I'm still holding it in at the back. And now you can see that it's flashing. So I'm going to let go at the back. And there we go. You can now see that that is going to keep on flashing because it is in recovery mode. So if you're wondering why you might want to use restoration or rescue or recovery mode, it might be because your router has failed and you want to re-upload the firmware onto it. Thanks for watching.